Good day, I am Nico Basson and this tutorial will show you how to export your class list and your grades if you want to CSV. So what do you need to do is go to your subject, and I am going to search for a 2021 subject. Go into the subject, you go to grades, and within grades you will see all of your grades. Now you go to export, and then you choose what do you want to export. I don't want to export any of these now, although you can if you want to. Just click there and unclick, and click there and unclick. What do I want to export? I want to export the student number. I want to export, I don't want to export any of that. I want to export the last name and the first name. I can export it to CSV or export to Excel. I want to export to CSV. Once it is completed, you can download the file. There it is. There is your CSV file, the comma separated file, and you have done it. You could also export it to an Excel file where it would then be in columns. And that is how you would export your class list to a CSV file.